Good morning, students. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. I'm Master Rakesh. There's a question, very good questions in front of you. It says divide 36 into two parts in such a way that 1/5 of one part is equal to 1/7 of another part. So it is saying that 36. It is like this. You have to divide in two parts. If suppose that I'll tell you the first part. Let's say the first part is 2. What will be the another part? What two quantities makes together 36? Okay, so if one part is 2, another part will be 34. How? 36 minus 2. 36 minus 2 equal to 34. If one part will be 3, another part will be 36 minus 3, 33. Okay, same way, this is 36. One part will be 2, another part will be 34, so total it becomes 36. Okay, this is line. So if I'll say one part is x, so what would be another part? 36 minus x equal to 36 minus x. It is as it remains as it is. It doesn't solve ahead. X is the variable. Until and unless you know about this variable, it won't solve further, so it remains as it is. 36 minus x, so one part is x, another part is 36 minus x. So this is the clarity about the parts. So he is saying just divide two parts. It says just divide two parts in such a way. 1/5 of one part, iska 1/5 of x is equal to means equal to 1/7 of other part, 36 minus x. Okay, so you see, just cross multiply. This gets here, this goes here. 7 का मल्टीप्लाई 1x के साथ, 5 का मल्टीप्लाई 1 into 36 minus x के साथ. So 7 into 1x. So I'll solve the further here. 7 into 1x, 7 into 1x, or 5 into 36 minus x, as it is. 7 1 just 7x. 5 can multiply here and also here. Okay, 5 whenever you are multiplying someone outside the bracket, it multiply, but it get distributed with the first and second. So this is known as distributive properties. So 5 into 36 minus 5 into x, dot means x, 7x. This minus 5x and 7x look similar. Okay, so it comes here, so minus wala becomes plus. Minus 7x plus 5x equal to 5 into 36. 7 plus 5 12x. 5 into 36 180. Okay, 5 6 is 30, 3 5 3 is 15, 3 180. So x equal to 180 upon 12. This is multiply wala goes into division. 12 1 12, 6, x equal to 15. X का value 15. तो first part x equal to 15. Second part 36 minus x. 36 minus 15 equal to 21. So 15 and 21. You can check your point. 1/5 of one part, इसका 1/5 कर लो. 1/5 of 15 equal to 3. 1/7 of 21 equal to 3. 3 3. It means your answers is getting verified. So you can do the question in such a way. This is one of the beautiful questions. You can like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much for watching the channel.